I know this is going to be one of the most amazing products to hit the market since TVs went color. This top secret meeting is going to be very exciting, isn't it?
Oh, welcome, Mr. Maxwell. You should be honored taking the most important role in Samsung Unpacked 2013. So, you ready for the biggest job of your life?
I'm always ready. Whoa, is that it?
Don't touch it. Initial here, right where your mom already signed.
Wow, it looks really cool. Can I have one little peek?
One little peek. But then after that, I don't want you to open this box or tell anyone anything about it. You got it?
Got it. Totally top secret. Nothing at all. I know you got